everyone! Snake wine is a fascinating and exotic beverage that has intrigued many around the world. Primarily originating from Southeast Asia, particularly Vietnam and China, snake wine is made by infusing whole snakes in rice wine or grain alcohol. This unique concoction is not just a drink, but also a cultural experience, often associated with traditional medicine, folklore, and local customs. The process of making snake wine involves selecting a snake, which can be either venomous or non-venomous. The snake is typically placed in a glass or ceramic bottle filled with alcohol, often rice wine or a high-proof grain alcohol. Sometimes, the preparation includes additional ingredients like herbs, ginseng, or even other animals, believed to enhance the drink's purported health benefits. Over time, the alcohol extracts flavors, nutrients, and compounds from the snake, resulting in a drink that is said to boost vitality, improve sexual performance, and even cure ailments. However, these claims lack robust scientific evidence, and consuming snake wine can pose health risks if not prepared and stored properly. While snake wine is often viewed as a novelty or a dare by many tourists, it holds significant cultural importance in the regions where it is produced. It is commonly found in local markets, restaurants, and even street vendors, where it is sometimes offered to guests as a sign of hospitality. In some cultures, drinking snake wine is believed to confer strength and courage. For those adventurous enough to try it, snake wine provides an intriguing glimpse into the diverse culinary practices of different cultures, showcasing the lengths people will go to in search of unique flavors and experiences. Whether for its medicinal claims, cultural significance, or sheer novelty, snake wine remains a captivating subject for those interested in the unusual and exotic. That's all for now. See you in next video. Goodbye.